Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So winter's almost coming, but not for us in Bombay. My scalp honestly gets a little dry and itchy because it gets a little sensitive in the winter. So I have put together 6 really effective homemade methods that you guys can actually try to get rid of an itchy scalp. So let's get started. So the first method is to cure it by using apple cider vinegar, and it has to be raw and unfiltered. And it's also very important that you use apple cider vinegar with the mother. Take 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar and mix that with 2 tablespoons of water. Apple cider vinegar is great at balancing the pH level of your scalp. It's also acidic in nature, so it also helps in curing mild dandruff and itchiness in the scalp. Make sure that you're diluting it with water. Keep this in for 1 hour and then rinse off. In the winter, it is very important that you start using sulphate-free shampoos. Now, shampoos that have too much sulphate in it actually dry your scalp out further, and that way your scalp starts to flake more. It's also harsh on your scalp, so in the winter you want to make sure that you're using shampoos that are sulphate-free and also very moisturizing at the same time. The third method is by using a nourishing and soothing scalp oil. So for this you need pure aloe vera gel. You also need pure hair oil. This is the one I'm using right now, but you can use any other coconut oil or almond oil that you have. Take 1 tablespoon of the oil, mix that with half tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and then add 5 to 6 drops of the tea tree oil. Aloe vera gel is one of the best ingredients to soothe any sort of itchiness that you have. It has a very soothing and calming effect on the skin. A mixture of coconut oil and almond oil are very nourishing and hydrating for your scalp. And tea tree oil actually has antiseptic and antibacterial properties in it. So it's going to take care of any infection or any irritation that is there on your scalp. You need to use 2 tea bags of chamomile tea. And this is the chamomile tea I'm using. Links to all of the products I have used in the video are going to be in the description box. And then you need an empty spray bottle like this. Boil 2 cups of water and then add the 2 tea bags into it, just like how you would make green tea. Let the tea bag soak in the water and let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, just strain that into the spray bottle. Cover it nicely and then just refrigerate it so it's nice and cool. Chamomile tea is actually loaded in antioxidants and it also promotes healthy hair. It also has anti-inflammatory properties in it, so it'll help to calm down any sort of irritation that you have on your scalp. Because this is mixed with water, it does not leave your scalp sticky at all, so you need to spray this all over your scalp or wherever you're having a lot of itchiness and dry flakes, and leave it like that without washing it off. Now for this you need a sulphate-free shampoo, or then use a shampoo that you have, but make sure that the shampoo that you're using does not already have tea tree oil in it. Now the thing is, take your shampoo and only mix 2 drops of the tea tree oil in it. Mix that well and then just shampoo your scalp off normally how you would. And the last method is also my favorite. Now this is really good in case you have a very dry scalp, because this oil is very hydrating in nature. Now take 1 tablespoon of pure olive oil and then mix that with 1 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Now sweet almond oil is very moisturizing. It also seals and protects hair and also protects it against hair loss and hair breakage. Now olive oil is magical. It actually removes dandruff, it cures split ends and also softens your hair. It manages unruly dry hair, increases hair growth and also fights frizz. So when you mix both of these oils together, you make a magical potion that will actually help in hydrating your scalp and also takes care of the unruly dry part on your hair. And this will work even better if you slightly heat it up in the winter and then apply it section by section on your scalp. And if you actually use this oil 3 times a week, I promise you will see a visible difference. So I hope this video was helpful. Comment below and tell me which was your favorite method. Please use this in the winter. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell so you're up to date every time I release a new video. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!